Hello everyone, I'm Roger. And today, I'm going to be the best landscaper. This is grass, and this is a lawnmower. I think you know what's going to happen. Basically, has like a little trailer bagger, so that's going to be very helpful. But, oh, I got other people helping me. But I have been grinding a little bit off camera, as you can see. I have played this game before, I wanted to show it up here. It looks so fun. Very fun, actually. And my stupid grass inventory is already full again. Really? I'm making way too much money though. This is such a horrible thing. Very horrible. Woohoo! This is actually a very fun game. If you guys want to check it out, it's Cut the Grass RP. What in the world is that? Woohoo! Oh, and you can also use tractors in the game. I'm using a lawnmower. I'll use the tractor next time. Or probably this time, because I don't want to use it. First person. Oh, this is pretty cool. This cut's really good, bro. I also have a weed eater. I'm gonna spawn it right here. Right there. I'm gonna use that for like the corners. Bro, this is hilarious. What even is this weed eater? Oh. It's cutting pretty good. That's enough of that thing. Okay. I won't mow. I don't like that one. It does not go as quick as I want to. I want to mow this entire field quickly. And that still thing is not quickly. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm basically talking to myself at this point. Okay, I wanna come over here and I wanna see how much the lawnmower's on. Okay, hold on just a second. What in the heck is that? Is that a scooter? Okay, let me see what we got. Ooh! I like this lawnmower. What is this? Troy built? Craftsman? Motors. What the heck's a snow mower? That's a tractor. That's pretty cool. Okay, how much for the giant one with the bagger? It is 60,000, which I'll never get. Oh yeah. I better get that going. I ain't getting paid for nothing. Woohoo! Out of my way, sucker! I also need to empty my grass inventory right here. While I do that, I wanna mow over here. I wanna keep mowing while I'm over here. How many coins do I get for this? I've already got like 16,000. Okay, I'm not making any kind of money. Okay, with 25, okay, I need 25. What in the heck is this? Gotta drive over here a little bit. Is that a quad? How do you get that? Oh, that's cool. Also, I forgot to see if they're coins or bucks. I need to see which one they are. Lawnmower. Okay, they are money. Very good. Okay. Okay, so these are money, but they're very expensive. Eh. Woo! Where am I? One month. I want a tractor. Gotta do this again. What if I can play this one? Yeah, let's go. We're running. I wanna go over here now. Woohoo! Bro, if you join this game, you can get this lawnmower for free. I recommend joining and getting this lawnmower. It's so cool. It's worth a lot better than what oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Push. Oh my god. Push, 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 push. What'd you push? Okay, I've already got my stupid thing stuck. Really. So anyways, guys, that'll be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.